Welcome back, guys. Today it's about time for us to do some popping warm-ups. So this is out of Mission College. Right there is my boy Hicks. This is my intermediate hip-hop class. Some of you guys have been asking for some popping tutorials, popping drills, and from time to time I'll put some popping warm-up drills in the class. So I decided to film this one and have you guys join in with us. So for those of you who want to dabble or even try to get better with your popping skills, feel free to just practice along and warm up with us. Most of it is legs, arms. You're gonna see some chest coming up real soon. A quick heads up though, when you do this, you should find that your arms will get sore. Now when you pop the legs, when I say pop the legs, basically you're flexing your quad muscle, your entire leg muscle. You're flexing and relaxing. One of the things, the warning that comes with it is that you don't want to do too much where you kind of hyperextend your knee. You could definitely damage yourself or damage your knee, so be very cautious with that. However, your arms, it's very, very difficult. It's almost impossible to hurt yourself popping unless I don't know, unless you do something crazy. I never heard anybody hurting themselves popping, but you will get sore, you will get a little tired. The key to popping when you're drilling is really be on beat. What does that mean? I mean, usually for most people I see who are trying to pop, they are too early, way too early on the beat. Okay, so I highly recommend that you guys, if you're practicing, you gotta film yourself. You have to. In any style dance, but especially for popping, you got to be on beat. Skeeter Rabbit always says popping is very unforgiving when it comes to being on beat. I mean, it's very, very noticeable when you're not on beat. Some other style dance, you can kind of cheat it, and it's easier to hide that you're off beat in other styles, but not in popping. Popping, you've got to be on beat. Okay. Now this beat right now is kind of fast, and it's really easy to cheat on faster beats. So I highly recommend when you're dancing, when you're practicing, trying to be on beat, do something slower. Okay, so now we're popping our chest. Only the chest. Now this move right here is quite difficult. It took some time for me to train with this one, but yeah, try to pop your chest when you're leaning forward or bending forward. Pop your chest twice. Boom, boom, on the boom, boom. That one is a little bit more difficult. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you haven't already, and definitely be a subscriber. Please consider doing that if you haven't done so already. And share this video. I definitely appreciate you guys helping out. Try to get the word out that we're trying to break this down. My goal is try to be the best online dance tutorial instructor there is, and with your help, hopefully I could do that. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. This entire video is about 13 to 14 minutes long. This is a warm-up exercise, so we can always benefit from this. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.
Hats on me, you make jokes with the corner store clerk. I came and ride your bike back home. You stick of ice cream, then you turn sweet 16. What a shot! All the dogs at the corner store started to bark at you. Must have been fun, and then we broke your heart. Now you're trying to stay far to go by your board. You keep running out, you keep tugging the top, you keep waiting about. Don't stop. You keep bouncing about, playing cat and mouse, it's been waiting down. Don't hide my heart. You keep running out, you keep tugging the top, you keep waiting about. Don't stop. You keep bouncing about, playing cat and mouse, it's gonna break you down. Don't hide my heart from me. Freedom and it's for men, yeah. Really don't need them except for your name. All that willing to cheat. While I'm playing the game fair, you must have been dreaming. So you let the dream die. Started to dream and can't figure out why. Your nights are freezing cold, ain't no guy. Now to get that close, you're too fly. They all gotta let those, you're too shy. All boils down to the same alibi of a bird that can't fly. Scared in the middle of the night, that's why. You gotta get them wings on low traffic. I keep running high, you keep tugging the top, you keep waiting about. Don't stop. You keep bouncing about. Play cat and mouse, it's been waiting down. Don't hide my heart. You keep running high, you keep tugging the top, you keep waiting about. Don't stop. You keep bouncing about. Play cat and mouse, it's gonna break you down. Don't hide my heart. Alone, no matter how many men set foot in your home, the lock in your heart is an unbreakable code. Cause it's locked in your mind, the men's got to know. If it's not standing up, I look cold for any human home. They don't always have to be low, just try to see the side of the intent of the soul. Cause we all make mistakes at one time or another. If you watch your dad say with that mom on the phone, just know that don't mean your life floors were told of your own decisions, woman, you in total control. So don't let your opportunities and love grow cold. And if some stupid motherfucker show his ass and cracks the disrespected you, shaking on your final exam for that one bad apple, don't blame the bash. Shake the tree till you can find a good cat, then you won't have to keep running out. You keep tugging the top, you keep waving the loud. Don't stop. You keep bouncing about. Play cat and mouse, it's been wearing it down. Don't hide my heart. You keep tugging the top, you keep waving about. Don't stop. You keep bouncing about. Play cat and mouse, it's gonna break it down. Don't hide my heart. 5, 6. You got your girlfriend around you. No wonder she's around you. Look at you. Your brown eyes feel just like a knife. Take a fella, think all about the rest of this night. The whole thing is strange. I'm really getting brain, but on the other hand, I really think it's just in vain. Flip the evil men, they can't commit you, and they don't have no heart to submit you. But neither do I. I guess I let you walk. Now why because you walk is wrong. Simulation when it's reaching in the club, that doesn't necessarily either way to love. It's not really in the air, I want to dig it elsewhere. Something wild if you can't commit. Banging on my board, love that. Hope you're coming all the time. Calm down. Sitting at home and hitting my hand while you're crawling on the earth with your natural hand. Your thing is jiggling and it goes in the stuff. Let's do a real rough and feel like it's a love. I see you away. Hey, 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 away. It could be the way. That's up. Hey, 6. Hey, away. I see you away. Hey, 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 away. It got me the way. Hey, 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 the way. I can kinda understand, you know, I mean, being at the top, I mean, the star of the show. Rushing the bank, continuous game, you get hustles and plans, taking their changes. But you shine and you pay no mind, always stand on the ground with the thing you do. You got the other little switcher, you can take it over, cause nobody wanna switch you.